Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Putri Nur Amni Farsha Bintang Birul and my matrix number 297267. So today I would like to present a bit about the company's background. C&O Pet Shop Changlun is a family-owned business located in Changlun, Kedah. The business owned by Mr. Chua Beng Ling and managed in partnership with Chua Beng Wat. Mr. Chua Beng Ling was graduated from University of Malaysia in Bachelor of Economy. C&O Pet Shop Changlun established 2022, which offers a wide variety of high-quality pets products such as pet foods and accessories rather than live animals to the needs of the pet owners in the area. This shop is open daily from 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. This shop have 2 employees and will be at the shop for the whole working time. Their staff will do all the service and tasks and also help the customer to find the goods and that the customer want, and then stock up their supply if they need, and also be the cashier. The company focuses on offline sales, operating from a physical storefront where customers can personally select their desired items. The company practices a cash and carry model, meaning that all sales are conducted on a cash basis without extending credit terms to customers. In addition to the pet shop, the owner with his business partner also owns Ista Stationery Enterprise, a popular stationery store in Arau that provides everything from school supplies to office essential. This diversification allows them to serve a broader customer base, making their business a one-stop destination for both pet and stationery needs.
Hello and good day everyone, my name is Anusha and my matrix number is 280849. Today I am going to present about table of entities and activities. First and foremost, about customer activities, by placing an order, providing order details and submitting payment information. Second is about supplier activities, receiving inventory and updating inventory records. Third is about inventory and activities, stocking inventory and updating stock levels. Fourth, about sales team activities, where processing order, managing order details, checking inventory status and preparing pick order list. And next is about inventory activities, by creating pick list, packing goods, generating shipping labels. And then the next is about accounting activities, by updating accounts, managing sales order, processing payment information, updating financial record. And last but not least, about management activities, by reviewing sales performance, generating sales report and monitoring inventory records.
Hi, my name is Tisha and my matric number is 300746. Today, I will be explaining the C&O Pet Shop's context diagram. A context diagram illustrates how external elements interact with an inside software system. Its primary purpose is to assist businesses in understanding the scope of a system. As a result, they can determine how to best design a new system and its requirements, or how to enhance an existing system. Context diagrams are high-level diagrams, which means they do not cover all of the system's details. Instead, they lay out a comprehensive system in a style that is basic, obvious, and understandable. For example, arrows are used to represent the flow of data between the system and each external element. The provided context diagram illustrates the flow of information within the sales processing system at C&O Pet Shop. At the center of the diagram is the sales processing system, which serves as a core component interacting with 3 external entities, which are the customer, the courier, and management. First, customers initiate the process by placing orders with the sales processing system. Once the order is received, the system sends an acknowledgement to the customer confirming receipt. The system generates and sends an invoice to the customer for the products ordered. Then, the system communicates shipping details to the courier for the delivery of the customer's order. This ensures that the products are delivered accurately and on time. Lastly, the sales processing system generates periodic sales reports which are sent to the management. These reports provide critical data on sales performance, inventory levels, and financial metrics, aiding in decision making and strategic planning. So, the question now is, what are the benefits of using this context diagram? The first benefit would be this context diagram provides a high level, easy to understand and visual representation of the system, showing only the main interactions between the system and its external entities without getting into complex details. It also may assist stakeholders quickly to grasp the scope and boundaries of the system, focusing on inputs and outputs. The next benefit is it reduces risk. This is stated because context diagram also enable the pet shop to plan how their system will interact with external entities before going live. This allows the business to spot possible issues before they occur and put preventative measures in place. Thank you.
Now I'm going to present about data flow diagram. First is about customer will make an order and the company will process that order to a receive order. And from the receive order process, they will send for the inventory to pick goods, and also they will make a data file record. They will check the date and approve the date, and they will create a file we call customer order file. And when we see at the pick goods data process, they will check the insufficient quantity and they will create a file we call data process file we call back order file. And the next is about product quality, product and quantity. They will create a data process file we call stock records. And pick goods also, they will verify the stock release and they will send to the data process for the following data process, which is ship goods. From the ship goods, they will check the date and back order status to the customer order file. And apart from it, they do send ship goods also send shipping details to ship log. And the second thing is receive order data process. Also, they will send shipping slip and shipping notice for ship good process. Now, receive order process, they will send the sales order to make an invoice copy to the bill customer process. From the bill customer process, they will create a SO invoice copy where they will generate a file we call SO pending file. From there, and they will send a sales invoice to the customer, and also they will send a shipping notice to the ship goods data process. And the next is the bill customer also, they will create a data file we call sales journal where they will record all the sales details that happened during this process. And bill customer data process also, they will create a sales order ledger copy where they will update all these sales processes in a account receivable data process. And from there, they will create a data file we call account receivable subsidiary ledger where they will record the total amount due and so on. And the next thing is the customer data process also, they will post all the sales journal vouchers to the post to general ledger, and the general ledger also receive a copy of account receivable summary from the updated account receivable data process. And from there, they will create a general voucher file data file, and they will create a general ledger records file too. And apart from it, post to general ledger process also receive records of general voucher from updated inventory records. And updated inventory records receive the data from bill customer is about the stock releases that they happen in the shipping goods. From the updated inventory records process, they do create inventory subsidiary ledger, they will update the product and quantity they sold, and also they will create a file we call purchase requisition file. They will record the EOQ documents. And that's all is about data flow chart. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nardini Ilyasha and my matrix number is 297343. Here I will be explaining the system flowchart of a pet shop that we have chosen that located in Changlun. So, I will start with the customer order. When a customer places an order, it sets off a well-coordinated change of events. This process is true and result in the creation of 5 crucial documents, which is each serving a specific purpose within the system. Firstly, there is the customer copy. So this document is essential for customer as it provides them with a detailed record of their order. If it sends directly to the customer, offering reassurance and a reference for their purchase. So for the next step is the stock release. The stock release is generated. This document is pivotal for warehouse operation and it is sent to the warehouse to guide the preparation and picking of the order goods. The information in the stock release ensures that the warehouse team knows exactly what items need be gathered from the inventory. Okay, so for the third document is the sale order itself. This copy is meticulously stored in the customer order file. Keeping an accurate record of sales order is crucial for internal tracking and future reference. It helps maintain a comprehensive history of a customer transactions, which is invaluable for both customer service and audit purpose. Additionally, the packing slip and the shipping notice are produced. Both of these documents are sent to the shipping department. The packing slip contains detailed information about the items to be packed and shipped, ensuring accuracy in the packing process. So the shipping in the packing process, the shipping notice complements this by providing specific instruction for the shipping process that ensuring that the delivery is carried out smoothly and efficiently. Once the stock release document arrives at the warehouse click promptly updates the system. So this update signals the next phase, which is the careful preparation and picking of the goods. The warehouse staff equipped with the stock release details meticulously select the items from the inventory. This stage is crucial and it ensures that each product is picked accurately and is in perfect condition for delivery. After picking the goods, the stock release document is annotated with all the necessary details, making the completion of this stage. This annotation serves as a record that the items have been successfully picked and are ready for the next step in the shipping process. This entire workflow, from the initial customer order to the final preparation for shipping, highlights the coordinated efforts between the sales department and warehouse. Every step is meticulously documented and executed to ensure transparency, accountability, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Farah Alisha binti Wan Zarihan and my matric number is 297355. So, I will continue to explain about the system flow chart, begin with the annotated stock release. The annotated stock release from the warehouse will be sent to the shipping department together with the document from the sales department, which are shipping notice and packing slip. All of the documents mentioned just now will be verified to prepare the document for the shipping process. Stock release and shipping notice will be sent to the billing department to bill the cost of the transportation and purchase of inventory. Meanwhile, the packing slip will be sent to the courier along with the goods. Then, the shipping notice and the stock release document will be keyed in the billing department. In the accounting department, the accountant of the shop will record all of the transaction and document in the sales order file by using the SQL accounting software. From the sales order data, together with the shipping notice and the packing slip, it will be updated in the account receivable file, inventory master file, and general ledger file. From all of the record and transaction, the accountants of the shop will be prepare a financial statement, sales report, and customer invoice. And lastly, the sales report will be sent to the management for the further evaluation and decision-making process, while the customer invoice will be sent to the customer as a proof of sales order.